In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background in Canva using a new method that's both simple and effective. If you're looking to add a professional touch to your images or simply want to make your subject stand out, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Canva and create a new blank template. Whether you have a specific size in mind or are starting from scratch, this blank canvas will be the base for your design. Once you have your template ready, the next step is to upload your chosen image. You'll find the upload button on the left side of your screen. Click on it to bring in the image you've decided to work with. After your image is uploaded, you need to select it. This simply involves clicking on the image so that it's highlighted and ready for edits. Now, it's time to adjust the image to fit your template. Drag the corners of the image until it perfectly fills or fits within the boundaries you've defined. This will give you a good canvas to start your background edit. Next, look for the edit button. This will unlock various options for you to customize your image. Click on it and then head over to the Magic Studio option where you'll find a helpful tool called Magic Grab. This tool is going to be your best friend for this task. Once in the Magic Studio, you'll need to select the subject of your image. This could be a person, an object, or anything you want to remain unblurred once the background is processed. Just click to highlight it as your focal point. With your subject selected, proceed by clicking on the grab button. This command essentially locks in your subject while the background is free to be edited. Now click on the background. This lets Canva know that this is the area you wish to modify. Once the background is selected, hit the edit button again to open the next set of tools. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the blur option. You'll be given choices on how you want to apply the blur. Choose the whole image option to ensure you're affecting the entire background area. Now you can adjust the intensity of the blur. Sliding the intensity bar allows you to control how hazy you want the background to be, giving your subject a lovely depth of field effect. Finally, after adjusting the blur to your liking, simply close the edit menu by clicking the X button at the top. This will apply all your changes and return you to your design space with a beautifully blurred background, and just like that, you've transformed your image, making your subject truly pop against the softened scenery.